Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to group objects in Illustrator. In Illustrator, anything that is on your artboard, this is my artboard. So the text, the images, the icons, these are referred to as objects. So in most cases, when I want to move these objects at once without grouping them, you're going to see that I have to first select all of them at once, then I move. So at times of which I can forget to select some items. So today I'm going to show you how to, because when you try to move this, it's moving alone as you're seeing. So today, let me show you how to group these objects at once, such that when you're trying to move, you move all the objects at once. So what you're going to do, first of all, you have to select all the objects that you want to group. So after selecting the objects, you go ahead and you right click. When you right click, you go down here on the option of group. So I'm going to click on group. So after grouping the objects, so here when I try to move, I don't need to select anything. I will just do what? I will just move the objects. So in cases whereby I want to, let's say I want to change something, anything I want to change on my sticker here, I'll just double click on it. If I want to change this program, let's say font, I'll just double click on it, and when I double click on it, it will isolate other layers, and you're going to be working on layer 1 as you're seeing up here. So after double clicking on it, then you're going to be able to change the font. So you double click, then you select what you want to change. I want to change the font of that. So when you click on character and you start playing with the font types, so I think you're seeing these things are so practical, such that no more. So that's how you're able to do the grouping of objects in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and hope you have learned something. Please share this video and comment from where you're watching from. Thank you so much.